I chose to analyze Shakespeare's Sonnet 130 mainly because I was struck by his use of imagery in it. Not only does the imagery paint a picture in the reader's head, but it also creates a sense of irony. The first half of his sonnet is full of this imagery. Most sonnets are romantic, and this one is as well, but looking at these lines, it deals with the theme in a bit of a different way. For example, the first two lines, "My mistress's eyes are nothing like the sun, coral is far more red than her lips red." These lines create a sense of irony because he is comparing his lover to other beautiful things, but they're both not in the lover's favor. This is ironic because this isn't what you'd usually expect in a romantic sonnet such as this one. Almost always the subject is compared in a positive and flattering way. Shakespeare could have easily turned this into a cliché love poem just by taking a few words out and making it, "My mistress's eyes are like the sun, her lips are as red as coral." But because Shakespeare adds those words in, he isn't conforming to the conventions of a love poem at the time. Instead, he reverses the conventions, creating an ironic and often non-flattering love poem. In the last two lines of the sonnet, Shakespeare further makes fun of the cliché love poems written in his time, saying, "And yet, by heaven, I think my love as rare as any she belied with false compare," meaning his lover is as unique as any girl a poet has lied to with false and exaggerated comparisons. So after all, this sonnet is in fact a love poem, but Shakespeare's use of irony in the imagery adds a deeper meaning while still throwing jabs at other more cliché love poems.